Have you ever seen those viral 3D animation shorts getting millions of views and wondered how are these made? Well, you're in the right place. Today I'll show you step by step how you can make these viral 3D animated videos using AI, completely free and without any expensive software. First, go to any viral animation channel. Check their shorts. Most of them have Blender-style 3D animations and dramatic storytelling. You'll see their videos are getting millions of views, like 1 million, 4 million, even 80 million views. Take a screenshot of one of their videos. We'll use this as a reference. Open ChatGPT and paste your screenshot. Then write this simple prompt. Generate image prompts in pixel style from 3D animation in full HD with rich details. ChatGPT will give you around 10 prompts, perfect for generating the exact style of images we need. Now go to the website Picluma, link in the description. Create a free account. Click on Create, choose the realistic model, set width to mobile size, 9:16, and paste the first prompt from ChatGPT. Within seconds, it will generate a high-quality AI image. Repeat the process for each prompt. You can generate up to 10 images this way. Now open another website called Pixwords. Again, link in the description. If it needs an email, use a temporary email, like TempMail. Sign up and verify. Then go to Create Video. Upload your AI-generated image. Paste the motion prompt from ChatGPT. Paste the audio music prompt too if needed. Boom! It will generate a short animated video with motion in just seconds. You can download it for free. Yes, with a small watermark for now. I'll show how to remove it. Repeat for all your image frames. Open CapCut on your PC or mobile. Import all the animated clips. Crop out the watermark using the crop tool. Then apply a glow effect to enhance the visuals. Adjust brightness, contrast, and sharpness to make it look even better. Export the final video in 4K 60 FPS. To further enhance quality, use vmake.ai, link in description. Upload your video and select 4K Enhancer. After a few minutes, it'll give you a super high quality version of your video, for free. So that's it. You've just learned how to create amazing 3D animation style shorts using only AI tools. No coding, no animation skills, just smart workflow. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you want a full guide or templates. All tools and links are in the description. Happy creating!